My tool of the year for 2017, Trailer Valet XL. An odd tool for a woodworker, a tug. Wheels, chain, gears, a handle, and a ball. It isn't for me to take up steep driveways or out on rough terrain. I haven't tried it out there and I don't plan on it. Even if I bought a multi-$1,000 big tug that's battery driven, I'm not going to take a rig like this that weighs many thousands of pounds and be driving it with some type of tug and possibly lose control. The purpose of this is in a situation like this where if I've got a small garage or a space where I want to get in tight, it will move this around with ease. When I get on a job, I park my trailer and it stays for the entire job. And if I can get there and tuck it over, I like to push it right up next to the garage, to work inside, to work in the garage, to work in the house, put the ramp door right up to it. If I can tuck it way over to one side and get it up nice and tight, then that leaves more room for the other workers, the other contractors. You move it around, there's a handle, and there are 2 drive shafts. They go through so you can put the handle on either side. The upper drive shaft is a slower gear, and the lower drive shaft is for moving faster. And then you just put it on and crank it. But I'm a little bit on the lazy side and I don't want to do that. So they provide a socket, and this socket will fit on any of the drives on any side, and you put it in an 18-volt drill. Now I happen to have this Milwaukee 28-volt, which I use. And then once it's hooked on, then I'll just take the weight back onto the trailer and let it swing freely. And so you can see how it'll pivot around. And then they've got this egregious little bracket that I just want to turn in the direct, so the angle is back toward the trailer, and then turn the collar up and tighten it up. And now whether I'm right-handed or left-handed, I can put the drill on either side. And this steerage handle is also the brake. So as soon as I let this go, it's going to put a brake on this and it'll stop the trailer from moving. I'm going to pull the trailer out that way, turn it around and drive it straight back in. It doesn't matter how good you are at maneuvering a trailer, you just can't do this with a pickup truck. My tool of 2017, the Trailer Valet XL. If you like these tool reviews and seeing what I'm using, then be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, but most important, share the channel with others. And if you want a set of plans to build yourself an awesome rolling toolbox or one of my workbenches, you can click on the link right here in the video. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Let's have a fantastic 2018 together.